Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. So the other day I randomly came across some 1940s and 50s beauty tutorials and I am obsessed. I don't know why, but these are so satisfying to watch. They are just, I don't know, there's something about them. So basically that is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna watch a 1940s beauty routine video and just you guys can see what you think. So yeah, let's just get right into it. This video here is called Vintage 1940s Beauty Routine for Women 1948. And this is by the channel Glamour Days. It has 2 million views. Here we go.
The best way to clean your skin is still the old-fashioned use of soap, hot water, and plenty of elbow grease.
Wait. Why does he have to say elbow grease? Sorry, keep going.
Many girls find this helpful in removing cosmetics. However, nothing can take the place of your daily bath or shower.
True. Oh, okay. I used to have one of those shower caps, mainly for swimming, but like, I feel like I want to get one of those again.
This is the time to give your skin a good, invigorating workout.
Ooh.
If there is no visible dirt to wash off, there are body odors to be eliminated by cleansing your skin of dried sweat, skin scales, and dust, which accumulate constantly.
Ew.
Your bath or shower should end with a brisk rinsing to carry away all soapy residue. This is really the best part of the shower. It stimulates the skin and wakes it up all over.
Nothing like a good shower. Wait, did you see her hair pop out of there? Dang. I thought for sure she was gonna ruin her hair. Okay, then I definitely want one of those shower caps because her hair is dry. That's crazy.
Should be kept for your own personal use. Don't share them with others.
Towels.
You wouldn't use another person's toothbrush, so don't use their towel or toilet articles.
Common sense.
And it goes without saying that only clean lingerie should go next to that clean skin.
Of course.
While it may not be necessary for all of you, some girls use a lubricating cream or lotion to prevent skin roughness or chapping. Expensive creams and powders, however, aren't necessary.
Oh.
A healthy skin can be kept attractive with only a few simple preparations.
True. What's she carrying?
The removal of hairs is sometimes a problem.
Tweezers.
You can take care of single hairs with a pair of tweezers.
Wait, she's just dropping them on her.
But for leg and underarm hair, your best bet is
that a razor? Wait, look at that. Dang, that is heavy duty. Ooh, okay. Continue.
For leg and underarm hair,
For leg and underarms.
is a safety razor. Don't worry that shaving the hair will make it grow back either faster or denser. That isn't true.
Okay,
But it
good.
is true that chemical hair removers have been found harmful to the skin in some cases.
Makes sense.
Nail polish is harmless, but you should remove it for short periods in order to prevent cracking of the fingernail. The hair needs careful attention, like this.
Ooh.
Proper care of the hair requires some understanding of its structure and function. Here's a strand of human hair, greatly magnified. Notice the rough, scaly texture. You can imagine how dirt hangs on to anything like this.
True.
And there's another factor that causes hair to get dirty. A healthy scalp has plenty of oil to which dirt will cling. So wash your hair frequently if you want to keep this constant accumulation of dust, oil, and sweat at a minimum. This will usually take care of normal dandruff too, although excessive dandruff should be treated by a doctor. Rinse your hair thoroughly following the washing.
Why is she washing it in the sink though?
A few drops of lemon juice or vinegar added to the water during the second rinse will make it much easier to remove any soap residue.
Oh, wait, I've never heard this before. What? Okay, so a dash of vinegar or what? A dash of vinegar or lemon juice.
Will make it much easier to remove any soap residue.
Wow, I'm gonna have to try that.
The final rinsing, however, should be in fresh water.
Makes sense. And do this in the
If your
shower.
hair squeaks after the final rinsing, you may be sure it's clean.
Okay. Well, she's also like ripping her hair out
Most girls
though.
follow hair washing by doing their hair up in pins or curling rods.
Mm-hmm.
This is a good time, since damp hair is more elastic than dry hair, and you'll find it easier to manage. Permanent waving, if skillfully done, will not damage your hair. However, the use of strong dyes or bleaches is very likely to make the hair brittle.
Very true.
Brittle hair, in turn, is liable to break off in larger quantities than you care to lose.
Dang, that's a lot. Her hair looks amazing.
Your hair should be methodically combed and brushed.
Methodically combed and
But be
brushed.
careful that brushes and combs are not used so as to tear your hair or dig at your scalp. Careful brushing not only gets rid of dust and dirt, which may be clinging to the scales, but increases the luster of your hair by spreading out its oils.
True.
A small amount of hair always comes out during the brushing. That is normal.
I wonder if this is like a hairdresser or something. Like, I wonder who the guy talking is, because it's actually like a knowledgeable video. There's a lot of like, you know, true things in here and like real advice for your hair. So I'm kind of curious. Interesting.
Natural hair beauty is possible if you take care of your hair
True.
and make the most of what nature has given you.
I love that.
By following these simple rules of body care and grooming, you too will achieve that quality of appearance, that feeling of well-being, so important to make your dreams of happiness come true.
The end. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I love it. Yeah. So what did we learn? Okay, we learned that you should brush your hair every day to bring down your natural oils, which is true. I've mentioned that on my channel before. Don't use other people's towels. That only makes sense. What else? Oh, adding a dash of vinegar or lemon juice will help to rinse out the shampoo. I have never heard that before. I would have never thought of doing that. I wonder if that's true. I want to try it. But that makes sense then why she was doing it in the sink, because she needed to add it to the water. I get it now. What else? Shaving is good for removing hair and tweezing. All you need for your skin is lotion or a cream. Love it. Keep it simple. Overall, I think just a great video. Honestly, there's so much good stuff in here. Real hair tips. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. I really enjoy these for some reason. Maybe I'll watch another one right away. I think I might. But hopefully you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Also leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video. Follow me on Instagram, stylebyariel_, and check out my blog, stylebyariel.com. That will all be linked in the description, and I will also leave the link to this original video in the description as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.